Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're here in the showroom. We wanted to talk about the different abrasives used in dry blasting. We've given you a couple of examples. We've used the soda, we've used steel shot, aluminum oxide, and also glass bead. We know that we can find the right solution for your application. Give us a call, let us know how we can be of service. We offer machines from the smallest in a 33 by 30 up to a 4,000 in a 60 by 48. So we have your solution. We're happy to help. Let us know what questions you have and how we can be of service. You can call us at 828-202-5563, or you can check us out online at vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Also, don't forget about our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We're here to help you find the solution to your application. Give us a call today. Again, that's 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.